Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to Forex Success. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna show you how I took this trade. Yeah, just to give you some basics explanation on price action. Okay, listen, guys. Always remember, first of all, like every trade should have an exit point. That is your stop loss level. You should always have a point that you're gonna exit. Don't use price. That is where a lot of us get it wrong. You don't need to use price as an exit point. That is, for example, you might be saying, if the loss reaches $10, you're gonna exit. No, that is a wrong view of it. You're supposed to use a level probably below or above a support or resistant level. That's how it's supposed to be, guys. Okay, I'll just give you a quick explanation, guys. If you want to take a trade, let me take off these indicators, please. They're not supposed to be here now. I'll introduce them later. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm trying to explain to you. If you want to trade, guys, if you want to increase your win rates, this is what you need to do. You need to understand price action, but I will just give you the basics of it on this video. Watch out. If you want to take out a trade, first thing you need to do, you need to spot out the support levels, the resistance level, and the candlestick patterns. Yeah, just the candlestick patterns. So firstly, this trade was taken clearly with price action. With my analysis, you can see. Okay, firstly, I would say I would just introduce my support and resistance level. Let me mark out the support and resistance level. We know this is very it's okay, especially on the desktop, but on the mobile device, we'll just see what we can do with it. So I'll put it on a daily time frame, then I'll zoom in a bit, then I'll just get the horizontal line. I'll mark out support and resistance level. Firstly, this is a resistance level right there. Then we'll have another one. Okay, we'll have another one right here. You can see those are points that price reacted to for sure. So we have two support and resistance level at the at the at the one daily time frame. Sorry, at the daily time frame we'll have two support and resistance level, and we can also call this a support level as well. So we can take that as a support level. We got three support and resistance level right now on the daily time frame. So we just move to, this is another thing. This is, in fact, this is the main reason why I took the trade. Let me show you guys. We got a trend line here. I also say that, guys, trend line, check, always watch out for trend lines, support and resistance level, and candlestick pattern. Then you're going to find out that price actually reacts to these levels. You can see this is a trend line right here. You see the market come down to this level, respecting this trend line all through. So we are going to, this is just price action. This is trading Forex prediction. So we are going to predict that the same thing that happened, the same way price reacted to this, price is going to react to this trend line the same way it reacted to it at this point and also at this point. You get that, guys? Since price reacted right here, it's also reacted right here. So we are expecting that it react also right here. So that's why when this price reached this point, I observed it, seeing some good candlestick pattern, I took it for a buy, having my stop loss below the trend line. You get that, guys? Expecting to take a big profit to this upside. You see? So that is just what I did right here. But that's not all. Then the 4-hour time frame, look at the 4-hour time frame, price actually came down, giving me reversal candlestick patterns, which indicate a buy. Those are more confirmation for me to get into the trade, still setting a stop loss. So this is what I'm saying, guys. You should always have an exit point. Otherwise, you keep on facing the issue of blowing account. That is, you keep on depositing. If you want to stop depositing into your broker, into deriv, you need to always have an exit point. So at least if you take 5 trades, even if you win 2 and lose 3, you still being on points. Like your account or your balance is still gonna be okay, for real. So that's actually what I mean. So I'm gonna introduce the indicator, but before then I'll just go to the 1 hour time frame, and then we'll see what the market is actually showing us right now. You can see the same point. You can just also mark at, and note this, guys, this is the analysis I'm doing right now is for long-term trade. That's for swing trading, because I'm swinging. You can see it's gonna take, I told you, for the daily time frame, look at it, daily time frame, that I'm gonna hold this trade to get to this level, right? So it's gonna take some days before it get there, so I'll just leave it right there, no stress. You can see it's on profit. As far as it's on profit, I have nothing to lose. I'm just holding it there. I trade all my other account, the ones I day trade and the ones I scalp. So that's just basically it. So guys, for the 1 hour time frame, if you want to do the analysis, you can just simply spot out your support and resistance level. I advise you do this on the desktop because it actually make more sense there. But if you don't have, it's fine. You can still manage it on your phone, whereby you just spot out the support and resistance level, spot out trend line if there is. I'll do a video on how to spot trend lines correctly if there is. So you spot out those, then you will notice a reaction of the market. That is, the market is reacting to these levels. So those are key levels you should watch out for, either a break or a bounce. When the market gets to a support or resistance level or even a trend line, it's either bounce or it breaks through it. So with different moves or patterns that you're going to get right at that key level, that is where you'll be able to make decision on what to do, either to buy or to sell. As simple as that, guys. So when you get this knowledge and then you introduce it to our strategy, to indicator strategy, like the 40 EMA, it's going to help you really well. Like the 40 EMA, which has shift zero method exponential, you see 40 EMA, you introduce it to your strategy, then you add the MACD. Where is the the MACD, just as you see on my screen. You click done. So when you introduce this to your strategy, to your analysis, guys, you're gonna see that you're gonna reduce loss. Your profit, your win rate is gonna be higher than the loss, for real. So when you start trading like this, and always have an exit point so that you can trade free-mindedly. You don't need to trade under pressure. It's gonna affect your psychology, for real. It's gonna affect your psychology. Yeah, and I noticed something. A lot of persons just like the easy way, guys. The easy way, actually, it makes sense. Everybody want to do things the easy way, but sometimes you just have to do some sacrifice in order to get things right. So like I said, before you trade with indicators, always spot at support and resistance level, so that you can mark out the key levels, so that you know how price is going to react to them. It's going to help you really well. Take for instance, this is what I mean. This is our indicator strategy, our 40 EMA and MACD strategy. If you follow the condition on a 1 hour time frame, it hasn't given us a signal to buy, but I'm already on profit. Okay, that's the first point. Take it down to 30-minute time frame. It's just giving us the signal right now. You see, so you should be entering this trade now if you were using only the indicator. I'm gonna be telling you the truth, guys. And then at the 15-minute time frame, like I always say, this is the time frame I love using, as well as the 5-minute. You should be entering the sell at this point. You see, it's still very okay, but we just use this for more confirmations. It's okay actually if you understand this stuff, guys. So at the 5-minute time frame, it actually gave us the signal early. So you can start from the smaller time frame and then walk up to higher time frames. Exactly. So the market is trying to form a retracement right there. I'm just gonna keep on watching it to see how it goes, because I'm not seeing any point that the price is actually reacting to. But it's also possible that this 4-hour candle can end up like this previous candle as well as this, but it's all right. Since we are on profit, we have nothing to worry about. We just hold on to the trade. That is just it. If it's gonna hit your stop loss, it hit. If it's gonna continue profit, good. for it. So that's just trading. You know, sometimes you just get some retracement and then a lot of us are scared. We just take off our trade. Then we see the market boom in our direction and be like, wow, why did I take it off? So that's just basically that. It's just mess with our psychology. So when you keep on doing this, you get to understand how this thing really works. So guys, don't act, I don't see any reason for you to give up on it. You just need to keep on doing it. Keep on doing it the right way. But if you keep on doing it the wrong way, it's hard for you to actually get it right. Keep on doing it the right way. Yeah, so guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, Forex Success. Hit that like button. So and make sure turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. This is volatility 100 index. You can find this on Deriv. The link to create an account is at the description below and also at the comment section. So click on that link to create an account so you can start trading right here. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, one last advice: always trade with what you can afford to lose. Yeah, that will give you that will actually give you the confidence to hold trade, because a lot of us are more scared of losing our profits than losing our real capital. Let me explain this. When your trade is you have a losing trade, when you have a losing trade, you'll be like, it's gonna come back. But when your trade is on profit, you always want to close it instantly because you don't want it to turn to loss, or you don't want to lose the profit. That is the problem a lot of traders are facing, guys. It's actually better when you leave your profit on the run, because if most times you leave your loss and it end up blowing your account, then leaving your profit will end up flipping your account. So that's just a code. So thank you guys for watching once again. Thank you. And if you have a question, just drop it at the comment section below. I will be answering them as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Okay.